My video guide is dedicated to help you remove of the browser scam that comes from the site scanproguard.com. Scanproguard.com is a deceptive website which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers, but mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. Scanproguard.com says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and it also displays some other information. The point is that this very same message comes up in other computers that are attacked by scanproguard.com pop-ups. So obviously there is something really deceptive in all these pop-ups. They actually try to force customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. When people start interacting with these pop-ups, they may be eventually redirected to some other questionable websites of a pretty bad reputation. And also because of that, they may be forced to download some potentially unwanted software. So be careful, don't interact with these fake alerts. Scanproguard.com pop-ups are the result of some adware in your computer. We recommend you to remove any traces of any malware automatically with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and start carefully researching and investigating your system with Combo Cleaner to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.